You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long multiplication. The final result is 675,000. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom a line to the right. Multiply the numbers using long multiplication method. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 5 times 3 equals 15. Because the result is greater than 9, carry the 1 to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 2 times 3 equals 7. 2 times 3 equals 6. And so the final result is 675,000.